You'll be stunned to know this. According to latest study findings, intermittent fasting, if not practiced correctly, can be extremely harmful to you. Yes, instead of resulting in a healthy weight loss, it could lead you to some really serious health hazards, including nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and metabolic imbalances. And, in severe cases, it can even exacerbate your existing health issues, such as diabetes, blood pressure, and heart diseases. And today, we are going to reveal to you 5 crime-like mistakes that entirely ruin your intermittent fasting weight loss goals. And we tell you how to avoid these grave mistakes and yield the optimal results. You may regret missing any part of this video. Stay tuned. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. Well, friends, we have ordered these mistakes from bad to worst, so do watch till the end. Mistake 1. Consuming too many calories. While intermittent fasting orchestrates specific windows for eating and fasting, it doesn't grant a license to indulge excessively during the eating periods. And a lot of people go wrong here on their intermittent fasting. A very fundamental principle of weight loss is to burn more calories than you consume. Even while practicing intermittent fasting, people often overshoot their daily caloric needs during the eating windows, thus negating all the benefits of the fast. A study published in Journal of the American Medical Association in 2019 showed some stunning results. The researchers noted no significant difference in weight loss outcomes between individuals who were practicing an 8-hour time-restricted eating and those who were following a consistent eating pattern, thus illustrating that intermittent fasting is not a carte blanche to consume unlimited calories. And to counter this, you must eat clean and healthy. We'll elaborate this a bit further in the video. Moving on. Mistake 2. Not keeping track of water intake. Now, this is a grave mistake with intermittent fasting. A 2016 study in the journal, Frontiers in Nutrition, emphasized the role of water in weight management, suggesting that increased water intake can highly enhance weight loss outcomes. By promoting thermogenesis, the process through which the body burns calories to maintain body temperature, to prevent dehydration and support your weight loss journey, it is really beneficial to track and gradually increase your water intake, aiming for at least 8 cups of water daily, and adjusting this count based on your individual needs and activity levels. And now, moving to more critical mistakes. Mistake 3. Breaking your fast with the wrong foods. Now, this is a serious crime to commit with your fasting regime. Often, people break their fast with unhealthy foods. Like, breaking your fast with high sugar, processed foods can cause a spike in your blood sugar levels, leading to an increased insulin secretion and fat storage. It is advisable to break the fast with balanced meals, comprising primarily of proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. And a Mediterranean diet approach could be highly beneficial here, as suggested by a 2019 study in the Journal of Hepatology. Individuals following a Mediterranean diet experienced significant weight loss and improved metabolic markers. Mistake 4. Going too extreme. Many people ruin their intermittent fasting experience with this mistake, taking intermittent fasting to extremes, such as practicing extended fasting cycles without proper guidance. This can lead you to nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and a decrease in metabolic rate. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in The Lancet Diabetes and Endocrinology in 2018 warns against extreme dietary restrictions, highlighting that gradual weight loss through moderate caloric restriction is much more sustainable and safer in the long run. Try for 3 days of fasting in a week, with breaks in between. You may adapt the 14-10 approach, or the popular 16-8 approach to begin with, and stop fasting when you feel too much drained. And finally, mistake 5. Being too rigid with the fasting cycle. In a 2020 study published in Current Obesity Reports, researchers argued that flexibility in dieting approaches could lead to better adherence and more positive psychological outcomes. To enhance the effectiveness of intermittent fasting, it is essential to adopt a flexible approach, allowing for adjustments based on your individual needs and responses to the fasting regimen. You must vary your fasting cycles, from fasting hours to the number of fasting days. Being too rigid can lead to high stress, which is extremely counterproductive to your weight loss goals. Moreover, strict adherence without considering individual lifestyle and health needs can result in a disordered eating pattern, eventually making you gain excessive weight. So friends, avoiding the above 5 mistakes can significantly help you enhance the effectiveness of intermittent fasting as a super effective weight loss strategy for you. To ensure success with intermittent fasting, it is recommended to maintain a balanced diet that focuses on nutrient-dense foods, maintain a proper and healthy fasting cycle, and try to break your fast with protein-rich foods. We'll be revealing more effective weight loss secrets for you. Subscribe to Shape Squad now, and do not miss any vital info for your fitness journey. Hit the like button if you found this info helpful. See you soon, in our next mind-blowing video. Bye.